Good evening, guys. I got my hands on the new Hello Watch 3 with Amoled screen, and it actually looks quite nice. I just take it out from its box and start testing it. So after I finish my testing and see how the battery works, if it's really AMOLED screen or not, I'm going to make a review video maybe tonight or tomorrow. And this time the package is really loaded. Of course, the watch itself, and mine came with two watch bands, one Alpine Loop and one Ocean Band. Also, there's a notification that you need to upgrade the latest software, of course, and included silicone watch protector case, which is nice. Also, we have a tempered glass as a gift. I really loved it. The packaging this time is really loaded. I get this from Kiwi Time. Yes, but we'll see if the watch is really works nice, and I am also going to perform a test between HK8 Pro Max and Hello Watch 3, if which one has better AMOLED screen or Hello Watch 3 is really an AMOLED screen.